Hi you guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I just picked up everything from Walmart. I am a little bit over budget this week at $219, but I got a ton of stuff. If you're new to my channel, I do a grocery haul once a week for everything that we're gonna eat for the week, and I try and keep it at $200 for me and my husband and my two boys. So I will share with you our meal plan that I have in my favorite meal planning book. I have everything written out. I'll share that with you, and I'll share you everything I got from Walmart. If you're new to my channel and need some meal planning motivation, make sure you click subscribe. Let me show you everything I got. So here are all of the groceries, everything for the week. Lots and lots of stuff. So I will start over here. I got 2 boxes of Cheerios. If you are new to my channel, there's usually a clippable coupon on Walmart. So if I get 2, I save $1. So I usually only buy these maybe once a month, but I get 2 so that I can save $1. Back here is some PB Fit. I have been doing that in some muffins lately. It's been really good. Lots and lots of apples. We absolutely love apples. Really awesome snack. Lots of bananas for the week. Grapes. I got grapes last week. I haven't been getting them much lately because they're just really expensive, but they are so good. So I got them again this week and my kids will be super happy. Avocados down here. We do a lot of avocados. Strawberries I put in the kids' lunches. I got this big box. There's 24 of these applesauce pouches. In a couple days, it is Johnny Appleseed Day. And so one of my kids' classes is doing all kinds of different apple things, and they asked for one of the things to be applesauce. So I'm taking that, and they needed 24, so it's perfect that this box comes in 24 pouches. Love that. I got some monk fruit sweetener. This is the brown sugar version. It's just a substitute for regular brown sugar. Love it. I was out, so definitely needed to have some of that. Popcorn down here. We do a lot of popcorn after dinner, usually if we're watching a movie on the weekends or whatnot, but lots of popcorn snacks. Some lettuce. I was really craving salad this week, so salad is on the menu. Broccoli. We do a lot of broccoli. Edamame. Absolutely love edamame. Great for snacks. Great with dinner as well. Carrots for the week. So speaking of edamame, I got these. These are different. So it's 6 individual bags. So I thought this would be great for snacks on the go. We are in the middle of soccer season right now, so we are kind of in the car on the weekends a lot, and we have practice on the week during the week too. But lots of snacks, so I thought this would be fun to see how these go. Big bag of chicken nuggets. This will last us quite a while. 2 things of almond milk. My husband uses these for his protein shakes and his smoothies. My favorite Caesar dressing. It is absolutely the best. It's a really thick dressing. It's a dressing and spread, but amazing Caesar dressing. Some milk. I got my collagen that I put in my tea in the morning. My husband puts it in his smoothies as well, little scoop. Cottage cheese. The boys love cottage cheese as a snack. Some plain yogurt. I've been doing a lot of plain yogurt snacks, adding in some fruit, nuts, and whatnot. So it's a really fun snack I've been having. Minced garlic. I was out, so I needed to get some of that. This Too Good yogurt. It's my husband's favorite. I usually get it by the bigger tub, but the Walmart that I went to this week only has it in these little 4 packs. So I got 8, so that should last him at least the week. This maple sausage, my kid's favorite. Super easy. You just heat it up and then it's ready to go. Sliced cheddar cheese for sandwiches. Some egg noodles. I'm going to do a chicken noodle soup this week in my crock pot, so stay tuned for that video. Some shredded cheddar cheese. We go through quite a bit of cheese. This will last us a couple weeks, but lots of cheese. Some taco packets back there. I realized that we had 0 taco packets in our pantry, so I actually got 3 of them. Sandwich thins for my husband's sandwiches. Some sliced turkey for sandwiches and snacks. Chicken apple sausage, my favorite stuff ever. I have this in the morning with my eggs and avocado. Delicious. It's cooked, so all you have to really do is heat it up. So it is very yummy. Salmon, we're gonna do salmon one night for dinner. Chicken breasts here and chicken thighs here. And then ground turkey, 2 packs of that. And then salami for snacks and lunches. One of my boys likes salami in his lunches. The other one likes peanut butter. So I have to make 2 different lunches for them when I send them to school, but that's okay. It's still easy. So these are all of the groceries. Let me show you the meal plan list as well. So I love writing everything out. Really helps me when I'm looking to stick on my budget. It helps me go through my pantry to see what we have and what we don't want to waste in the fridge. So here's what we're having. On Monday, we're gonna do G-Paw chicken, which is teriyaki chicken thighs, and we're gonna do broccoli. My dad makes this chicken, that's why we call it G-Paw chicken. My kids love it. Crock pot chicken noodle soup, meatball sub sandwiches. I have a huge bag of frozen meatballs. We do a lot of frozen meatballs. Tacos, always gotta do tacos like once a week for the kids. Southwest salad. I'm gonna do a crock pot, cheesy ground beef and potatoes. Super excited for that one. Stay tuned again for that video. And then salmon rice bowls, which is probably one of my favorite dinners ever. So I try and make them quite a bit. So super good. So this is the groceries and the meal plan. I hope it gave you some motivation on doing some meal planning for yourself and for your family. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and leave me a question if you have any comments. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.